Difference between functions and method. Functions and methods are the same. Are functions equivalent to methods? You might have a question bugging you. Why on earth do we have both functions and method when they particularly do the same thing? Finally, let's start with the obvious. There is a clear difference in the syntax. A function look like this. Function name in opening and closing parenthesis something. And a method look like this. Something dot the method name opening and closing parenthesis. Namely, a method always belong to an object. Example, in the x dot index in opening and closing parenthesis to method dot index needed the x object to be applicable, while the function doesn't necessarily depend on Python object. All methods are function, but all functions are not methods. So you can see method is a subset of a larger set function.